Good morning, class. Today, we're going to learn smart English sentences that you can use in your daily life. These sentences will help you sound more fluent, polite, and professional in various situations. Let's dive right in. Greetings and introductions. It's a pleasure to meet you. Use this when meeting someone for the first time. How have you been? Ask this when you haven't seen someone for a while. What brings you here today? A smart way to ask why someone is in a particular place. Would you mind if I join you? Polite way to ask if you can join a group or conversation. Asking for help and information. Could you please help me with this? A respectful way to ask for assistance. Would you happen to know where the nearest ATM is? A smart way to ask for directions or information. Could you clarify that for me? Use this when you need more information or explanation. I'm having a bit of trouble with this. Could you assist me? A more specific way to ask for help. Would you be able to recommend a good restaurant nearby? Perfect for asking for suggestions. Expressing opinions and thoughts. In my opinion, this approach might work better. A smart way to share your thoughts. If you ask me, I think we should reconsider. Use this to offer a suggestion. From my perspective, this seems like a good idea, a way to give your point of view. I'm inclined to believe that this is the best option, a sophisticated way to express your belief. As far as I'm concerned, this is the right choice, a confident way to share your decision. These smart English sentences will help you communicate more effectively and politely in everyday situations. Practice using them in your daily conversations to become more confident and fluent in English. Remember, the key to mastering any language is consistent practice, so try to use these phrases as often as you can. Thank you, and I hope you found this lesson helpful.